I have been to Paris, I have been to Rome, I've been to New York, Rio, Tokyo, and no one compares to you, Daniela.
Alam mo, Macario, I've been to Paris, Rome, Italy, London, Mexico, even Istanbul. But nothing compares to your kabaduyan. So please leave me alone.
Bakit ba sama-sama ng dating ng iyong aura today? You should be very happy. So this is Armando's business plan in the making.
Tanungin nga kita. Ikaw bilang VP ng Finance, Macario, sa tingin mo makakatulong sa finance itong pagmamanage ng mga models?
As we speak, as we stand here, marami nang excited dito in the industry. Fact is, marami ng clients natin ang gustong i-sign up itong ating mga Ecomoda talents na to. And this is our pool of talents.
Really?
You know what? I think Ecomoda will make a lot of money with these talents.
Nicolas! Nicolas! Di ba usapan natin hindi tayo magkakilala?
Ano ka ba yung salamin mo?
Shall we start?
Okay, 5.6.
5.6?
5.6.
Okay.
Can you like give me different colors? Yeah. There you go. Give me this. Why, Nick? Is there anything wrong?
Ha?
Anything wrong?
Hindi, wala. Okay lang.
Eh kasi baka naman dapat tanggalin mo yung salamin mo. Kasi di ba, hindi mo makikita yung ginagawa mo eh.
Hindi, okay lang ako, Patricia.
Sigurado ka ba?
Oo.
Eh parang nahihirapan ka eh.
Hindi ako bahala. Sige na. Okay lang ako. Teka lang ha. Sa akin muna. Okay lang.
Isa sabihin ko, makinig kayo. Ano yun? Ano yung photographer parang pamilya? Actually. Pwede labas na kayo kasi alam nyo, crowded na eh, oh. Di na tayo kasha. Skip mo. Sige na. Oo nga naman.
Yeah. What are you guys still doing here? Get lost! Get out!
Alis na po. Wala tayong ginagawa dito eh. Alis na! Come on! Alis na! What's up?
Get out! Jeez. Faces.
Ayan, okay na ba?
Okay na. Okay, pause tayo ha, pause ha. Okay, 1, 2, let's a quick shot. 1, 2 lang. Okay, ito na, time shot. Next one, 1, 2, 3. Okay, take one, please.
Give your best. Alright.
Okay, girl. You're done.
Congratulations. Bounce. Nick, that was so great, and you are